Hi guys! Today Hidemyacc will guide you on how to set up IPFoxy on Hidemyacc profile. IPFoxy is a new proxy provider in the market with over 40 million rotating residential IP addresses across more than 200 different countries. This is quite an impressive number for a new provider. IPFoxy offers 4 different packages, including dedicated IPv4, IPv6, dedicated residential and rotating residential. The pricing is ranging from $3.99 per IP per month to $12.99 per IP per month, based on the number of IPs and their lifetime. To purchase proxies, select the suitable package and click on Buy Now. A new dashboard will appear. You can choose the region, provider, package, IP quantity and proceed with payment using various methods such as Alipay, WeChat, PayPal, cryptocurrencies, and more. Currently, IPFoxy offers trial packages for IPv4, IPv6, and rotating residential proxies. For instance, with IPv4 package, you can choose the shared zone provider, a 3-day package. The IP quantity is 1 to get the free trial. Now, I will guide you on how to get proxy from IPFoxy and set it up on Hidemyacc. Hidemyacc will choose rotating residential, located in United States. You can filter by state or city. Choose protocol, format and the IP quantity you want to generate. Then click Generate. This is the proxy you have generated. Click Copy and create a new profile in Hidemyacc. In the proxy section, select the protocol as HTTP and paste the proxy. Click Check to verify if the proxy is live. Then click Create. Now run the profile and check the proxy's quality on IPFighter. IPFighter will examine your IP address information and evaluate the score, as well as provide browser fingerprint details. IPFighter rates this IP as 95/100 points because it has been blacklisted by 1 out of the 51 data websites accessible to IPFighter. This is a high score, and furthermore, being blacklisted by just one website doesn't affect the pages you want to access. To check the speed of this proxy, you can visit the website speedtest.net. This is the upload and download speed. In general, the speed of this proxy is average, and you may experience some stuttering and lag when accessing websites with high traffic. Hidemyacc has just introduced IPFoxy, a new proxy provider that you can consider using in the future. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the Hidemyacc YouTube channel so you don't miss out on important information. And if you have any further questions, feel free to contact Hidemyacc's team via Facebook, Telegram, Skype, or Twitter. Wishing you all success.